Hello there! Welcome to our channel, and I'm super excited to share today's travel video, which is another walking tour of Malaga. This time, we will show you Malaga's famous waterfront destinations. Let's walk around Malaga's stunning waterfront, offering beautiful beaches, vibrant promenades, and cultural heritage, starting with Malaguita, one of the popular beaches in Malaga. Malaguita is very popular with tourists and locals alike due to its close proximity in the city's center. The beach offers golden sand and stunning views of the Mediterranean Sea and is lined with restaurants, bars, and shops. Definitely, it is a good spot to just hang around and enjoy the cool breeze of the oceans. If you are planning to stay in the beach for a day, we recommend to rent out one of those beach umbrellas or cabanas, but start early as those gets rented out so quickly. Malaguita is also perfect for leisurely walks and offers a vibrant atmosphere day and night.
Méterre jutó fiúk száma az igencsak magas a részen. Ott is jobbra. Big boys.
This area here is Malaga's Park, which offers a lush of green space in the heart of the city, perfect for strolling and relaxation. You can bring a picnic and just sit by the bench, which is a beautiful spot for people watching, reading, or just enjoying the scenery. We are now on the other side of Malaga's waterfront, and we're just around Moliono, which is a modern waterfront promenade lined with shops, restaurants, cafes, also offering a stunning view of the harbor and the skyline. If you are into museum, visit the Pompidou Center, an offshoot of the famous Parisian Museum showcasing contemporary art and exhibition. It's one of the popular destinations here in Malaga as well.
No, due perché... due perché...
The waterfront of Malaga is also lined with super yachts. When we were here, we saw two super yachts docked on the harbor, and one of them belonged to Paul Allen, a co-founder of Microsoft, and apparently it is the 60th largest in the world. How awesome! strolling around Malaga's waterfront is definitely a must when visiting Malaga. It will give you more insight into the culture and history of the city. It's just a beautiful spot to be around and to relax. Just soak in the beautiful scenery and the cool vibes of the city. Thank you for watching. Until next time.